Today's video I'm going to show you how to change out a Serpentine belt on a 2007 Chevy Impala. So let's fix it. You got to take off the oil cap, put that back on. Using a 10mm ratchet, we're going to remove the coolant reservoir so we can get access to the belt. Next we'll need to remove a 13mm bolt, and that's located way down in here. And you can see the bolt is right there. There's the bolt. Next we need to find the belt tensioner, which is right down here. You're going to need a 3/8 socket wrench and put it to the tighten position and then put it in that square hole. Now you need to grab it, pull your ratchet in a clockwise motion. As you're turning that ratchet, this is now loose, so you can pull it right off. Now it's just a matter of undoing the belt itself. Now that the old belt has been removed, let's go ahead and put the new one on. So I'm going to leave a diagram here. Go ahead and pause the video and look at this diagram to follow it. What I like to do is start right here at the alternator, and then I just work my way around it. So basically this is the end result of your belt. It should look like this. Now let's go ahead and put that 13mm bolt back on there. Let's go ahead and put our coolant reservoir back. 10mm. Put the cover back on. Pumpkin has been chilling out all day long, and he's been such a good boy. He caught a bird. He brought in a bird this morning, and now there's a bird in his belly. There's a bird in your belly, Mr. Pumpkin. He's just so cute, so content. If you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.